Meet collagen, a protein powerhouse that's vital for your skin, hair, nails, joints, and overall health. Imagine having improved skin elasticity, stronger hair and nails, and relief from joint pain. That's the magic of collagen supplementation, supported by real-life testimonials. Where do you find collagen? It's abundant in animal sources like beef, chicken, and fish. But fear not, plant lovers, there are collagen-boosting foods and supplements for you too. Each source comes with its own pros and cons, tailored to your unique dietary needs. Now let's talk usage. It's as easy as adding collagen powder to your morning smoothie, coffee, or even baked goods. And don't forget those collagen-based skincare products. But how much should you take? For optimal results, we'll guide you through the correct dosage and frequency. Want to get creative? We've got some fun collagen recipes and DIY skincare treatments just for you. From nutritionists to dermatologists, we've interviewed the